but it's clear that the Constitutional Court is of the view that certain words and expressions will depend on whether it's uttered by a white person or a black person and against a white person or a black person.
There are no killings of farmers or white farmers in South Africa. There's no land grab in South Africa. Land was the original sin in the history of South Africa.
He repeatedly threatened to shoot my eldest son's feet off and ordered him to rape me.
It's a war. We know the consequences of what we're asking for. Death is the first price we're prepared to pay. The second price we're prepared to pay is poverty.